The Qanat, Iran's gift of water to civilization intro. In the deserts of Iran, where the sun burns the earth and the rain is scarce, survival once seemed impossible. But thousands of years ago, Iranian engineers solved this problem with a brilliant invention, the Qanat. This underground water system changed the course of history, not just in Iran, but across the world. Origins of the Qanat. The Qanat system is believed to have been invented around 3,000 years ago, during the first millennium BCE. Archaeological evidence points to ancient Persia as its birthplace, with the oldest known Qanats found in Goblot, still functioning after 2,700 years. The brilliance of the Qanat lay in its simplicity and sustainability. How it works. A Qanat is a series of vertical shafts connected by a gently sloping underground tunnel. Water from mountain aquifers flows through these tunnels, traveling sometimes for dozens of kilometers, until it reaches the surface near villages and farms. This method protected the water from evaporation in the desert heat, ensuring a reliable supply year-round. Unlike dams or wells, Qanats required no advanced machinery, only knowledge, patience, and collective effort. Generations of mechanics, skilled diggers, dedicated their lives to building and maintaining them. Impact on civilization. The Qanat made life possible in places where rain barely fell. It transformed deserts into farmland, feeding entire communities. It gave rise to cities such as Yazd, Kerman, and Nishapur, where thriving cultures developed in harmony with scarce water resources. The system was so effective that it spread far beyond Iran. The ancient Egyptians adopted it, as did the Greeks after Alexander's conquest. Later, the technique reached North Africa, Spain, and even parts of China. Everywhere it went, it allowed civilizations to flourish in harsh landscapes. Cultural and social role. But Qanats were more than technology, they were social institutions. Their water was shared according to strict community rules. Each villager often had a specific time of day when they could access water, measured by simple water clocks or shadows. The system required cooperation, fairness, and respect for nature. Even Persian gardens, famous for their flowing water and shaded trees, were possible only because of Qanats. The image of paradise itself in Persian culture is tied to the flowing waters of these underground rivers. Modern relevance. Today, as the world faces growing water shortages, the Qanat stands as a lesson in sustainability. It is no wonder that UNESCO has recognized the Qanats of Iran as a World Heritage Site. Though modern pumps and dams have replaced many of them, thousands of Qanats still function, silently carrying life beneath the desert. Conclusion. The Qanat is more than an ancient engineering achievement. It is a philosophy. It shows us that humans can work with nature, not against it, to survive. It is the story of Iranian ingenuity, resilience, and vision. And it reminds us that sometimes the greatest revolutions happen not on the surface, but deep underground.